Okay, this is just try to quick before the actual video starts. If you have the Sun in Tune or the Moon in Tune package where you have the factory amp, which is located underneath the passenger seat, there is one other wire you have to hook up to the red power wire, which and you actually don't have to unhook all this stuff. Just get something to kind of like hold it up, and then you can just rest this on your ticker and you can actually get your radio out. Oh, I'm gonna get this screw all the way out and I'll show you. This blue wire that's on the back of the radio, that's just for the remote, but the actual wire, get it here, where it is. Okay, here we go. The blue and white wire, that is your amp wire. That needs to get connected here. And before anybody says anything, all this black tape work, that's temporary because I'm actually going to get an Apple Play radio. This is just a temporary radio. But if you have the Moon in Tune or the Sun in Tune, and you have the, or you just have the actual premium radio system with the factory amp, the amp radio on the actual plug that you buy has the blue white wire connect to your 12-volt red wire, and then that will get your amp to be able to turn on, and you'll be able to actually listen to music. All right, now thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the rest of the video. We're actually doing a video a little bit different. I'm actually taking you out and about today. And what I'm doing is I'm going to be installing an aftermarket radio in the 03 Pontiac Grand Prix. Now, there is a few videos out there, but over the years, the price really hasn't changed on the adapter, but the part code has. So that's why I'm doing this newer video. So I'm at Walmart, and we are up here, 997, and the part number is GM035SD, car, truck, SUV. And if you go right here on the back, you got Pontiac Vibe 02 to 08. Now the reason why you want this one is because it has the two connectors and the antenna adapter. You really need that antenna adapter. So if you're getting an aftermarket radio, you can get one of these. Then you can get, say you're getting a radio here, you're going to need to get you a faceplate, which no, that wouldn't be it. I think it's this one. Let's see. So let's go look. Pontiac Vibe, yes, 02 to 08. So you're, if you're doing the deck style like this, it's the part code GMT2049A, and that part number, at least in my area here in Tennessee, it's $13.97. And just so you know, if you're going to be doing a subwoofer or not, you definitely want to get your correct amperage. Make sure, number one, the radio you purchase can put out the amperage you're looking for. Get your good subwoofer, make sure you get your fuses, so forth and so on. But I'm not getting any of that. Basically, I'm just needing this because I already have the radio, already have the bracket, and I just need to get it installed. So I will see you in just a little bit. Right, I'm back at my house. The radio that I'm using is a dual model XD112228. It was actually in the car when I bought it. It just wasn't hooked up. Which I got everything installed. Some wires that won't be used, but it is the gray connector. This connector is for other vehicles. I believe that's a 64 pin and this is the 32 pin, in a sense. But the dual the wires are all the same color. I just got temporarily in tape. I do that as a test before I actually go to the actual solid. But anyways, everything's hooked up. You got the yellow and then the red, those are for power. Then we have our speaker wires. We got a remote wire, which is blue. We got our speaker wires purple, white, gray, and green. And they're all connected. So you like an example, you got the green with black, and then you have the green with black, and then the solid green and solid green. So example, and then we have the solid black, which is the ground. So let's go out to the vibe. Make sure got my keys, and here's the thing it will go in, which I will install this radio into this once I know it's working. And then we got the thing that helps it get installed. Alright, so I will be heading out to the car, and next thing you know, we will have this plugged in and we'll be testing it.